Mysteries on Earth that remain unsolved refer to strange or unexplained events, phenomena, or discoveries that scientists, historians, and researchers have not been able to fully understand or explain. These mysteries may involve paranormal activities, lost civilizations, bizarre disappearances, unidentified objects, or natural phenomena with unknown causes. The Bermuda Triangle, a mysterious region. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is a mysterious area in the North Atlantic Ocean, roughly forming a triangle between Miami, Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. It has become infamous for the unexplained disappearances of ships and airplanes, with no wreckage or distress signals often found. Despite many theories, the true cause of these vanishings remains unknown. Some of the most well-known cases include USS Cyclops, 1918, a U.S. Navy ship with 300 crew members disappeared without a trace. Flight 19, 1945, 5 U.S. Navy bombers on a training mission vanished, along with a rescue plane sent to find them. Star Tiger and Star Ariel, 1948, 1949, 2 British aircraft disappeared while flying over the Bermuda Triangle. SS Marine Sulphur Queen, 1963, a tanker ship with 39 crew members was lost, with only small debris found. These incidents, along with many others, have fueled speculation about what could be causing such mysterious disappearances. Magnetic anomalies. Some believe the region affects compasses and navigation systems, leading to disorientation. Rogue waves, massive waves, over 100 feet high, could easily sink ships and damage aircraft. Methane gas eruptions. Underwater gas bubbles may reduce water density, causing ships to sink rapidly. Extreme weather, sudden storms and hurricanes may explain many accidents. Extraterrestrial theories. Some believe UFOs, time warps, or even the lost city of Atlantis are involved. The Voynich Manuscript, a mysterious book. The Voynich Manuscript is a 600-year-old book, written in an unknown language, filled with bizarre illustrations of unidentified plants, strange symbols, and astronomical diagrams. Discovered in 1912 by rare book dealer Wilfred Voynich, it is considered one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in linguistics and cryptography. The manuscript, believed to date back to the 15th century, contains around 240 pages of strange symbols and an undeciphered script that does not match any known language. Despite efforts by linguists, cryptographers, and AI researchers, its meaning remains unknown. Some believe it is written in a lost language, a coded cipher, or even a meaningless hoax. The manuscript features mysterious drawings, including unidentified plants. No known species match these botanical illustrations. Astronomical symbols, complex star maps and zodiac-like diagrams. Human figures, strange women bathing in interconnected tubes, possibly representing alchemy or biology. A lost language. Some experts believe it is written in an extinct or unknown script. A complex cipher. Others think it is an advanced code, yet to be cracked. Alien or supernatural origins. A few theorists even claim it has extraterrestrial connections. The Dyatlov Pass Incident, a chilling mystery. The Dyatlov Pass Incident remains one of the most bizarre and unexplained tragedies in modern history. In 1959, 9 experienced hikers from the Ural Polytechnic Institute embarked on a trek in the Ural Mountains of Soviet Russia. Days later, all were found dead under mysterious circumstances, with injuries that defied logical explanation. Rescue teams found the hikers' tent torn from the inside, as if they had fled in panic. Their bodies were discovered scattered across the snowy landscape, some in only socks and underwear, despite freezing temperatures. Severe internal injuries. Some victims had broken ribs and skull fractures, similar to a car crash impact, but with no external wounds. Missing eyes and tongues. 2 hikers were found with missing eyes, and 1 had no tongue, raising suspicions of an attack. Signs of radiation. Traces of radiation were found on their clothing. Avalanche theory. A small snowslide may have forced them to flee, leading to fatal injuries. Katabatic winds. Powerful, invisible winds could have disoriented the hikers. Military tests. Some believe they stumbled upon secret Soviet experiments, exposing them to radiation. Paranormal theories. Some suggest UFOs, Yeti attacks, or even supernatural forces. Signal is one of the most intriguing space mysteries ever recorded. On August 15, 1977, astronomer Jerry Emmon detected a strong radio signal while scanning deep space using the Big Ear radio telescope at Ohio State University. The signal, which lasted 72 seconds, was so unusual that Emmon circled it on the printout and wrote, "Wow," giving it its famous name. Scientists have proposed several explanations, but none have been confirmed. Earth-based interference, a radio transmission from a satellite or a secret military source might have caused it. Comet theory. Some suggest it was a signal reflected from a passing comet, though this remains debated. Jack the Ripper's identity. A chilling mystery. In 1888, a serial killer known as Jack the Ripper terrorized the Whitechapel district of London, brutally murdering at least 5 women. His victims were often found mutilated, with their throats slashed and internal organs removed. Despite extensive investigations, the killer's identity remains one of history's greatest unsolved mysteries. The confirmed victims, known as the Canonical Five, were Mary Ann Nichols, August 31, 1888, and Annie Chapman, September 8, 1888, Elizabeth Stride, September 30, 1888, and Catherine Eddowes, September 30, 1888, Mary Jane Kelly, November 9, 1888, Montague John Druitt, a mentally unstable lawyer who disappeared after the murders. Aaron Kosminski, a Polish barber suspected due to recent DNA analysis of a blood-stained shawl. Prince Albert Victor, a theory suggests a royal cover-up, though it lacks evidence. The Taos hum, an unexplained sound. The Taos hum is a mysterious, low-frequency humming noise reported by residents of Taos, New Mexico. First documented in the 1990s, this strange sound has puzzled scientists and researchers because only some people can hear it, while others perceive complete silence. Characteristics of the hum, described as a low, distant droning noise, similar to a diesel engine idling. Most commonly reported at night. Only 2% of Taos residents claim to hear it. Industrial or electromagnetic signals. Some believe the sound could be caused by power lines, radio waves, or underground gas pipelines. Geological activity, subterranean vibrations, shifting tectonic plates, or underground water flow could produce the hum. Psychological phenomenon. Some scientists suggest it might be a case of mass hysteria or heightened auditory sensitivity. The Sailing Stones of Death Valley, a natural mystery. In Death Valley, California, large rocks mysteriously move across the desert floor, leaving behind long, visible trails in the racetrack playa, a dry lake bed. Observations and theories. For over a century, scientists and visitors have puzzled over this phenomenon. Early theories suggested strong winds, magnetic forces, or supernatural explanations, but modern research provides a more scientific perspective. Wind theory. Some believed powerful desert winds pushed the rocks, but their weight made this unlikely. Ice flow theory. In 2014, researchers caught the stones moving on camera. As the ice melts under the sun, gentle winds push the floating ice, slowly dragging the rocks along the muddy surface. Water and mud lubrication. Rainfall creates a slick surface, reducing friction, allowing wind or gravity to move the stones. In 2014, researchers with time-lapse cameras finally witnessed the stones moving. Under the right conditions, thin ice sheets break apart and push the rocks at speeds of 2 to 5 meters per minute. Though no supernatural forces are at play, the sailing stones remain a rare and fascinating natural event, proving how unique weather conditions can create seemingly impossible movements in the hottest place on Earth. The Lost City of Atlantis. Myth or reality? The Lost City of Atlantis is one of history's greatest mysteries. First mentioned by the Greek philosopher Plato in 360 BCE, Atlantis was described as a powerful and advanced civilization that mysteriously disappeared beneath the ocean thousands of years ago. Despite numerous theories and searches, its existence remains unproven. Plato wrote about Atlantis in his dialogues, Timaeus and Critias. A highly advanced society with great wealth, technology, and military power. Located beyond the Pillars of Hercules, believed to be the modern-day Strait of Gibraltar. A vast island nation that sank in a single day and night due to a great catastrophe, possibly an earthquake or tsunami. Over the centuries, many theories have emerged regarding Atlantis's possible location and fate. Santorini, Greece. Some believe Atlantis was inspired by the Minoan civilization, which was devastated by a massive volcanic eruption around 1600 BCE. The Bahamas, Bimini Road, underwater rock formations near the Bahamas resemble ancient roads, leading some to link them to Atlantis. Antarctica theory. Some speculate that Atlantis could be buried beneath the ice of Antarctica due to shifting continents. Pure myth. Many scholars argue Atlantis was a fictional story meant to serve as a moral lesson about the dangers of greed and arrogance. The Kryptos sculpture mystery. A CIA enigma. The Kryptos sculpture, located outside the CIA headquarters in Langley, Virginia, is one of the world's greatest unsolved cryptographic puzzles. Created by artist Jim Sanborn in 1990, it contains 4 encrypted messages. While cryptographers and intelligence experts have solved 3 of them, the 4th remains a mystery to this day. The structure and its codes. The sculpture consists of a curved copper sheet, covered in 1,800 characters arranged in an encrypted text. Sanborn collaborated with a former CIA cryptographer, Ed Scheidt, to design the ciphers, which incorporate techniques like transposition and substitution ciphers. The first 3 solved messages. Message 1, a passage describing hidden information buried somewhere. Message 2, a reference to magnetic fields and their role in encryption. Message 3, a quote from Howard Carter, the discoverer of King Tut's tomb, describing the moment of discovery. The unsolved 4th message. The final 97-character segment of Kryptos remains unsolved, despite attempts by world-class cryptographers, including those at the CIA and NSA. In 2010 and 2014, Sanborn released 2 hints, revealing that the words, Berlin, and clock, are part of the final solution, possibly referencing the famous Berlin clock, set theory clock. The Zodiac Killer's final cipher, an unsolved mystery. The Zodiac Killer was a notorious serial killer who terrorized Northern California in the late 1960s and early 1970s. He is linked to at least 5 confirmed murders, though he claimed to have killed 37 people. What makes him unique is his habit of taunting the police and media with coded letters and cryptic ciphers, some of which remain unsolved. The Zodiac ciphers. The Zodiac Killer sent 4 ciphers, known as Z408, Z340, Z32, and Z13, in letters to newspapers, daring the public to crack them. Z408, solved in 1969. This was the first cipher, solved by a schoolteacher and his wife. It contained a disturbing message about hunting humans for pleasure but gave no clues to his identity. Z340, solved in 2020, a team of cryptographers cracked this 51-year-old cipher, revealing a message mocking the police and claiming he was not afraid of capture. Z32, still unsolved, this 32-character cipher is believed to contain clues about a bomb he threatened to plant, but its meaning remains unknown. Z13, still unsolved, this is the so-called, "My name is," cipher, which could contain the Zodiac's real name, but has never been cracked. Despite scientific advancements, many mysteries on Earth remain unexplained. The Bermuda Triangle, the WOW signal, and the Dyatlov Pass incident continue to baffle experts. Ancient enigmas like the Voynich manuscript and the lost city of Atlantis fuel speculation, while modern puzzles like the Zodiac Killer's cipher and the Taos hum remain unresolved. These mysteries challenge our understanding of history, science, and even the possibility of extraterrestrial life. While researchers strive for answers, some of these phenomena may never be fully explained, reminding us of the vast unknowns still waiting to be discovered in our world and beyond.